Hello everyone, Anna here. I just wanted to come in here today to tell you that I am celebrating two things and I'll tell you what they are. But first of all, I wanted to thank everyone who shopped with on my online shop, Anna's Clay House, who supported my small business. I am so thankful for that and all that hard work making my chameleons for all those reptile lovers, those frog lovers. And thank you so much. They're gone. All my chameleon pieces that took me so long to make, every sculpted piece that I poured just all my love for making things and sculpting into those pieces, and they do take me a while. They're very detailed pieces, and I am so happy that people appreciate art, and I was able to sell them online. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough. That makes me very happy, appreciated. Um, yeah, it was just a joy to have people buying my pieces. Yesterday it was at 7 p.m. and a lot of them were gone. I still have, I think, two pieces that have frogs on them. A lot of the bird pieces also were sold. I still have a lot, and I have also, I included on this sale some older pieces, also the pieces that I've made throughout the year, like on my tutorial. So I included those pieces as well. So I still have, I think I sold about half of everything that I had, which was quite a bit. So thank you so much. So for the celebration, I am celebrating the 5,000 subscribers on this channel, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart that you have subscribed to my channel, that you like my channel. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be doing this. And I really love to share what I do, to share my techniques, my paintings, my sculptures. I love to share everything, my glaze combos and everything else that I make in here. So thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. I really, really appreciate it. I try to answer all your questions. I've been quite busy now, as all my fellow potters are. So I haven't been watching as many videos as I would like, but whenever I have a little time, I do watch you. This community is just amazing, community of potters. We connect at this level, just looking at everybody's different styles, different glazes that you use. Is just fascinating to watch you. Um, so I appreciate you. Also, today's my birthday, so I am celebrating that. But not only that, I have my gift to myself. If you guys have been following me, I guess about 2 months ago or 3 months ago, I will put a link of the video how I made this bottle. And I have the little story behind it. Is when I was young, I used to love the show I Dream of Jeannie, and I was just fascinated with Genie bottles. So I just had it in my mind that I had to make one for myself, because I was inspired by this one, which is hand blown glass. It used to belong to my mom, and she gave it to me because I love this so much, and I will always cherish this bottle. Nobody touches this bottle in here. It's like it's in a place that I always say, don't touch, nobody touches it. But I love this bottle. So it is from the 60s, and they have these, as far as I remember, the orange was very a prominent color for that time. And then I've seen other bottles also like these that were blue. I don't know if they made other colors, but these bottles are worth quite a bit now. They were made in Italy, and they're like white inside. But I don't know if it is milk glass. I don't think it is, because milk glass I think is pressed. I'm not sure. But all I know is that I did search one time and I found them, and I knew the value. But not just for that, I just love the style, and you know, with this long neck. So I always wanted to make one and challenge myself. You know, I'm always challenging myself to make different things that I've never made before. So here it is, and I know it's a lot shorter, as you can see, but I did throw into two different pieces. But it is quite hard to make the real long neck. um, Now thinking back, I could have made this much longer. This was okay. This bottom part is this part that could have been longer. And then I do like the top. Could also be more rounded, but all in all, I think it turned out really nice. This is that glaze from Western called Ultra Turquoise. And it has like a rustic feel to it. It's on red clay, but it breaks on some spots, like especially on texture, like in here, and you can see a little bit here on the rim as well. So I use Dragon's Eye here. But now I wonder, I do like the effect of the dark blue running into this blue, the turquoise. But now I wonder if it would have been better to keep it all one color. But anyways, the blue is just beautiful and so shiny. And it's mine. So, but if you guys are interested on the little story and how I made it, I am gonna post the link here. And I will be taking a little break from making things right now. I am still gonna be doing tutorials. I will have one this Saturday, my live with Anna. So be on the lookout for that. But I'm just taking a break on sculpting things. I am a little burned out from my sale and having to list everything. And anyways, I'm just so thankful for everyone who came and supported me. I'm thankful for this pottery community here on YouTube and on Instagram. It's just amazing. So thank you so much, guys. And I will be making more videos for you. Thanks again. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Oh my gosh, this thing here, I wanted to show you. I almost dropped it now.